Most people say affirmations are not working for them, and a reason for that is not so much about using wrong statements, it is about not using them at the right time. That means what really matters for affirmations is when you use them, when you repeat them to yourself. Affirmations may be really powerful, but if you're not giving them to yourself, not feeding your subconscious mind these healing statements at the right time, subconscious may not be ready to accept them. So, which are the most powerful times in the day to repeat these statements to yourself? One is, of course, as we know, the morning time, soon as you wake up. Second is before you sleep at night. So, your morning affirmations and your night affirmations, these are very, very powerful, transformative tools to reprogram your subconscious mind. However, people often are in the doubt of whether or not they should be repeating these statements in the morning or they should be repeating them at night. You see, first of all, let's understand what happens in the morning, and then let's understand what happens at night before you sleep. First of all, when you wake up in the morning, your subconscious mind is like a child who needs to be directed. So morning is all about one word, direction. Think of it like a small baby in the house. The mother has to wake up the baby, she has to get the baby ready, she has to brush the teeth of the baby, she has to feed the baby milk, some food. You see, if left on himself or herself, the child wouldn't want to do these things. The child is dependent on the mother or the father. Once the child gets into the habit of waking up at a certain time, being fed, brushing the teeth, the child will automatically pick up these habits, and very soon the child will become independent. The subconscious mind is like this child. If direction is not fed enough number of times, it will start to do what it knows best to do, which is go back to sleep again. Chances are, I have big goals, I have big dreams and wishes, but if I am not getting the cooperation of my inner child, my subconscious mind, these dreams and wishes don't see the face of reality. So, morning is important because the subconscious mind is like that child who needs to be woken up, who needs to be alerted, wake up. These are the things we have to do. This is what we want to do in the day. The child will then start to obey the mother. So morning affirmations are important because they are like directions you give to your inner child. Remember, your subconscious mind is powerful, but it is power without direction. Morning when it wakes up, if you don't do anything consciously to feel better, to give yourself some powerful thoughts, the subconscious mind will wake up with some negative feelings. For example, most people, if they don't say anything consciously, they will observe that they have woken up with perhaps a feeling of demotivation. Most people will even get this feeling, and they say this very often, that as soon as I wake up in the morning, I feel, oh God, another day. Again, all that work, again the effort, again the struggle, again the same people, again the same problems. You see how they didn't consciously give themselves these thoughts, but they woke up with these problems. They woke up feeling tired, some of them feeling bitter, hurt, sad, frustrated. And then what happens? If they don't do something to interfere with these feelings or change them, full day they feel like that. Which is why there is so much of scientific study and evidence today on how if in the morning you feed yourself good thoughts, the subconscious mind has enough to feed on for the rest of the day. That is why morning affirmations are compulsory. If you are in this journey of self-growth, self-healing, self-transformation and success, you must speak to yourself in the morning. And morning is a wonderful time to give yourself these positive thoughts. How but? You must always get into a state of silence, never in a rush. Morning statements, if you say hurriedly, no use. You have to say them with awareness. Yes, affirmations do work mechanically, but they're also about feeling better. If you understand that your words are carrying feelings and you observe the changes in your body as you say them, it will work like magic for you. You will not stop saying them. You will start feeling better in few minutes itself. So, morning is a time you give a direction to your subconscious mind and you train your mind to focus on these elements and aspects. Supposing you have some goals to manifest. After your normal affirmations, like, today is a wonderful day, everything works out in my favor. What are these statements like? They are statements which wake up the mind, wake up the brain, give you some motivation. You should be saying motivational statements in the morning because you have a long day to go. You have to give the child something to look forward to. So you say statements like, I deserve success, success comes to me easily, my income is constantly increasing. Any area of your life which is troubled, what you have to do? You have to create statements around that area. These also include your goal statements. For example, you have a goal to manifest, which is your dream home. Say it positively, I am grateful to manifest my dream house. Or, I am happy and grateful that my partner is so supportive, understanding, affectionate, loving. So, on one hand, while you give yourself some thoughts to empower yourself to move on with the day, to give your best to the day, you are also using powerful statements which are your goals, reminding yourself you deserve to have them, you already have them. You're putting in the energy of what? These goals are already mine. It's like showing a chocolate to a child. It'll attract the child. It's like a mother telling the child, finish your homework, I'll give you the chocolate. The child is excited and in that excitement wants to finish the homework because the child wants the chocolate. So these motivating, empowering statements are very powerful and they must be given to yourself in the morning. Imagine that you go to the market and stock everything for the day, for the home. So every meal is looked after because all the ration for the day has already been taken care of. Once you come back from the market, you have enough stock for every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner. But if there is not enough stock in the kitchen, there is a problem. Now you're wondering, I have to go to the market again. You're already feeling very hungry and tired. Now there is no food. To avoid this problem, we want to stock ourselves up with positive statements morning itself. So morning, remember, it's like a purchase you have made for the entire stock in the morning. Now, what is the difference between morning and night? Night is a time when you come back to your bed, maybe tired, maybe not very happy with what has happened. Perhaps there are thoughts of anxiousness, uncertainty about your future. And the mind has experienced so many things which are perhaps going on in the mind. Mind is therefore in need of something which is called as healing at night. So night, it's a good time to sit in silence for few minutes. As you sit straight, your life force begins to rise. You will control the emotions. You will regulate your emotions. After a few minutes of silence, it is time to lie down. While you are lying down on your bed, you're feeling a sense of relaxation. Repeat affirmations. What is the importance of repeating affirmations at this time before you sleep? Subconscious wants assurance at night. Subconscious wants safety at night. Subconscious wants healing at night. Subconscious is also tired. It's been through the entire day with you. It is looking for some love and appreciation. Night is a time to appreciate yourself and life. That is why, therefore, use statements which have the energy of gratitude. I'm grateful for this good thing that happened to me. I'm so grateful for my parents. I'm so grateful for my partner. Start with gratitude affirmations because the mind is looking for something that makes it feel like, hey, no matter what has happened, we still have good things. That's how you introduce the energy of healing into your mind and body. So, night time is very important to let the child feel safe, assured, encouraged, and most importantly, it is a time to reprogram the child because it may have carried so many negative experiences in the day. It is a time to let go and heal. So, when you look back at your day, make it a habit to always say something positive of your day. So, night is a time to always give the subconscious mind good thoughts, good feelings, good energy by looking back at your day with more love and appreciation and patience. After gratitude affirmations, say to your subconscious mind directly, I love you, I bless you, I thank you. Everything is going to be okay. Yes, we deserve all the good things. Everything will come to us at the right time. It is okay to feel, because you may be feeling negative. It is okay to feel this way. We can let it go. Please let go. Assuring thoughts, healing thoughts, cleaning words and statements. This is what makes the night time and the night affirmations so powerful. While morning, we wanted to give it a direction, we wanted to give it motivation. At night, we wanted to let go, we wanted to release. We want to give it the energy of acceptance and love, as much as love. Even if you don't do anything else, but you keep loving yourself. I love you, I bless you, I love you, I bless you. These are powerful affirmations. These are powerful words and statements that can help the child release all the negative associations, all the negative memories it has picked up in the day. Morning is a time to give direction. Night is a time to assure and love your inner child, so that in the process of healing, it is able to let go of the past. So, if there is someone who's bothering you, who's hurt you, please affirm, I bless this person, I forgive this person. Or just say, God forgives this person through me, God blesses this person through me. For every negative thought, give some assurance to the child. It's okay to feel this way. It is okay to let go. We are not alone. God is with us. These kind of thoughts, which are assuring in nature, which are loving in nature, which are healing in nature, that is what makes the night time so powerful. I hope this video has given you clarity about how the energy in the morning and at night can help you change your limiting patterns, reprogram your mind for success and love. Let me know if you have been using these affirmations in the right manner, and if this video has helped you in your own routine to make your morning and night more impactful and powerful. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.